Sorry, it was in Sylvia's room. Yeah. I think I'm gonna spend the night.
Move it.
Yeah. I don't know. Unless you want to take me home.
Sexual assault case ready to process.
How's it look?
We'll see.
Cause it's too early.
She's
Yeah, I'm like.
breathing.
Oh hell no!
I lost my
If you try and chase
choice.
2 rabbits, you end up.
This is.
I lost my chance.
Here, take a picture.
Do it again.
Oh hell no! Hey,
Do it again.
sorry. Oh hell no!
You should see it, Danielle.
And I'm thinking that what goes on in between
That
rounds.
nigga did a missionary.
Okay, bye.
What he say?
Yo, your dog knows how to
What'd he
move
say?
for real. He said,
You gonna go home with him?
no.
I thought you said you was gonna go home.
No, he said that. He was like, why don't you just go home now? And I was like,
No.
it's too early.
You said you told him to pick you up.
They're ready for you.
Yeah, but then he was like, why don't you just go home now?
The idea is to stop putting phosphate, salt, and water into your
And then later.
Ready?